Oh, that's better. Yeah. In my cup, passion fruit tongue. Yeah, I love tongue. All right. Yes. Let's give this a taste. Delish. Yes. So let's go back to the eating. Hmm. I'm a spoon person. Yes. Nice. Mm. Food nice. You have to lick your finger. Banana. So I had 4 dumplings in my plate, 2 pieces of sweet potato, and 2 bananas. Let's see how far we go. Sweet potato. So sweet. Guys, when you watch, don't be afraid to comment down below. Let me know what you think. And the food that you would like to see me make on this channel. If you are not from Jamaica, comment down below and let me know what is your favorite Jamaican dish. Alright? Yeah. Let me know there. Let me know. Just mash up the chicken leg. Mash up the chicken breast now. Food sweet. sweet potato. Mm-hmm. So not much dumpling you can eat off. Let me know down below. How much dumpling you never eat at once? Tell me. May I finish up my second dumpling now? Food sweet. Okay. Must I say food sweet? Salad of man. I eat so fast. I eat so fast. There's something full quick. Pizza wings, food sweet, but belly are full up. My boss, you know. My boss. Have the wing. They've got a piece of bone part out of the wing, yeah. Food sweet, very full. I eat the food too fast because it's so sweet. Man, full up my belly. Let me tell you before, anytime I eat too fast, my belly full quick. But I'm not gonna lie, I enjoy it. So I actually eat 2 dumplings, 1.5 banana, and 2 pieces of sweet potato. And me eat the leg, me eat the piece of breast, and me eat half of the wing in the meat. So that's not bad, right? Yeah. I gotta let me enjoy the food. Very sweet. Enjoy cooking, like me say. I'm enjoy eating. So sorry guys. Whenever I eat too fast, my belly full. Look. I got the rest of the wing. Can't resist it. I love curry chicken back. Alright. Mm. Lazy to get up in that you know. Lazy. What I'm telling you. Mm. Crave a pitney. Crave a pitney go answer with food. That them always say. We love them bone. I love which bone now. Sorry, but I'm not gonna say a lot of that over here because I love my bone. Alright? Number one. Here. But for it was a good one. I enjoy it. Like I said, guys, don't be afraid to comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you like to see me make and eat on the next videos. Alright, and if you're not from Jamaica, let me know what is your favorite Jamaican food. Alright, yeah, from me seeing you in the next video. Alright, guys, bye.